Hi guys, in this fast video I want to show you the new improvement of Migafunnel. Migafunnel here is in a folder in this app. If I go inside this section, the new improvement is related to the email sequence. As you know, Migafunnel is now managing the push funnels, and this is the main feature, but there is a new feature that is email funnel. So it's possible to have an autoresponder, a sequence of emails starting from several different triggers. If you click there on the editing, for example, this is an existing funnel, you can see here a trigger that we can start a new sequence of emails from first login in the app, first order placed, coupon used, and so on. And the new two things that are available now in Migafunnel is a landing page trigger. Honestly, it's something that is available since a while. This is allowed to create an autoresponder and place this piece of code in your website, and you will have the input fields to enter the name, surname, and email, and subscribe anyone to this sequence of email. These are all the emails that we are on sequence, okay, with the delay from one next one. And the new trigger is first login and landing page trigger. So it's possible to create a sequence of emails starting from first login of the app or to the opt-in of the page, the web page, both one. And this is good, it's cool, because it's possible really to create two kinds of triggers. So it's combining two kinds of triggers in one funnel. After you set the funnel by this way, the email will be added not in the users of the app. I mean the emails coming from this form here, this website form. All the emails that are the leads that are coming from this input are going in a separate database that is available here on the bottom. Subscribe emails. You can click there, and you can have the list of email inside this funnel. Okay, you can select one or more than one and unsubscribe or completely delete. It's possible also to export in CSV format. And this is very interesting because really this feature can save you the subscription, for example, on a Weber or MailChimp or any other autoresponder service. And you can manage really an autoresponder with Migafunnel without problems. Here we can see a new setting tab that is the SMTP server setting. It's possible to use the internal platform Siberian SMTP setting, and you just need to add the sender email, sender name, and reply to and BBC if you want. Or you can set up an external SMTP server that is the best choice, I think, where you can connect a real email without problem of spam and so on directly here. The difference between before is that right now the setting is global setting for all email funnels. Before, each email funnel had a specific SMTP setting, but now we change it to a global setting for all the funnels in one email, in one app.